Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. We're going shopping at the 99-cent store because they have some Christmas coming in. Let's go see what they have. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to see some Christmas things as soon as you walk in the door. Look at these ornaments right here. So some of these are very big and some of them are tiny, but they're all 99 cents. Every single one of those are 99 cents. Just to forewarn you, I'm going to be doing a lot of talking in this video because I think that some things just need to be explained, like these lanterns right here. You guys, look at those lanterns. They are $12.99. They are ginormous. Now, I'm about 5'4" 3/4", okay? And they come above my knee. Yes, that 3/4 does matter to me because I'm shrinking. But anyway, these lights are between 99 cents and $1.99. Okay, we come around the corner and we spy these little ornaments over here. It's a bundle of them, and they're pretty good size. Check that out. So usually when it doesn't have a price tag on there, they are 99 cents. So I just wanted to point that out. And look at these buckets, you guys. These are, I mean, they're metal, they're ginormous, and they are only $4.99. How cute would that be next to your fireplace? Of course you can DIY them, paint them, do whatever you want to, but that is a very good size for those buckets. Most of the ornaments here are 99 cents. There's a whole bunch more. This whole wall is completely filled, but look at those little elf ones. I thought those were absolutely adorable. So anyway, I like little dangly feet things. I think they're so cute. Look at these lanterns, you guys. Check those out. So it's not as large, obviously, as the ones that are $12.99, but they're a decent size, and they're only $4.99. Now, they don't have the candle in there, but you know what? You're going to do whatever you want to with a lantern anyway. So I was watching a video the other day, 99-cent sleigh, and he was showing these nutcrackers, and I thought, wow, those are ginormous. But I wanted to show you exactly how big they were because they're probably about 6 inches tall. Don't get me wrong. $2.99 is a heck of a deal. These are 99 cents, you guys. It comes in a pair of 3. I'm kind of going for a whimsical look this year. I'm going to add some red to my black and white this year for the holidays. So anyway, just going to kind of cruise through here and see what we can find. Look at this adorable little hat right here. It's pretty good size, I have to say, and it's metal. It's a tree topper, but you can do it anything you want to with that thing. So $3.99 for that. Now I have to apologize, I zoomed right through those beads. So those beads over there to the left, yes, those are wooden, and they're quite large. So of course I picked them up because everybody's wanting those beads. Like, I mean, they're selling out like crazy everywhere, and they're like normally around $15 elsewhere. They had them there for $2.99. So look at these lanterns for $2.99. I mean, those are little baby ones, and they're really cute. Here's some more nutcrackers. They come in so many different colors, and I'm just kind of browsing through here just real quick and just kind of give you an idea of what they have. Look at these little owls. I think they're super cute. However, it's Sherpa, and I'm pretty sure my dog would think that that is a chew toy, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that behind. So anyway, keep on going. They had a lot of wood things. Look at all those little signs over there. They had signs everywhere. Check out this sleigh right here. This is a wooden sleigh. I have to say that's probably around, I'd say 16 inches or so, 18 inches maybe. It's pretty big. And look at that. I mean, what a deal on that. I mean, talk about DIY. So, or you can leave it as is. I mean, that's totally up to you. But they had some icicles in here and all these little signs. I picked up that little joy sign and a whole bunch of little reindeer. Now the reindeer, I thought that they were really cute too. Those were actually a decent size for $2.99. So, and we will get into more reindeer in just a moment here. So anyway, just kind of taking a little browse through here to see what else we can find. That Noel sign is all glittery. Yeah, it's not picking up on my camera, but that's really cute too. And so anyway, here are some larger nutcrackers that are $1 more at $3.99. So that's a pretty good deal. I mean, I really think that 99-cent store has really stepped it up. I mean, they have a lot of things, all the different colors. Look at there, you can get a whole entire box of like little fillers for $7.99. What a deal. And they have a whole bunch of little Christmas trees. Actually, these are like larger than the ones that you would get at Dollar Tree. These are probably about 2.5 feet tall, I would say. And so if you're looking for just a little tree to put anywhere in your home, I mean, fill up a little corner, there you go. And here's just a little tin box that would be perfect for putting your little candies and stuff in. Now those were 99 cents. And these are melamine, but I thought they were super cute too, 99 cents. And that would look really cute on like your bar cart or your coffee bar. And I was trying to find a price on this because I couldn't believe it. If I had thought it was 99 cents, I'm assuming it is because I couldn't find a price. But look at those deers. They're like velvet. So those are really cute. And then this one is looking for a price again. This one is laying down. So adorable. They had so many cute things in here. I was really, really, really impressed with them. And of course, we're going to come up on the pillows. You guys, seriously, $2.99 for a pillow? Oh my gosh, what a deal. And they had several to choose from. I'm like really in shock right now because I could just absolutely go ballistic in this store. So, and look at this sleigh. Oh my gosh. That thing is ginormous. No joke. So it is only, what, $19.99? And it's probably, I would say, quite large. I don't know. Not that you could probably put your baby in there. Anyway, these are just a couple of things that I thought were so super cute, and I'm having a really hard time passing up some of the things. In fact, I know I'm going to be going back there again tomorrow. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and please give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.